What's going on is Anton from AntonDaniels.com. I appreciate you guys for continuing to rock with me. Thank you for viewing this video. Thank you for being a part of the Bag Chasers. If you have not already, make sure you join the Patreon. The link is in the description. To kick it with a bunch of people that's going in the direction that you're going in, let's talk about Bitcoin really quickly. Just really quickly. No deep dives, no breakdowns. We do that in the Patreon, all right? That link is in the description. But let's talk about Bitcoin. Let's talk about cryptocurrency. Briefly yesterday, which was Thursday. Today is a Friday. No fumble on a Friday. Briefly Thursday, it dipped below $19,000. Ethereum, I believe, I think it's like a little bit above $1,000. But Bitcoin, which is the leading cryptocurrency, is down about 70% for the year. That's crazy. That's insane. Now, there's some people like Dave Ramsey. I got my legs crossed right now. You want to see? Let me show you. I got my legs crossed right now. I'm feeling real sassy at the moment. So there's some people like, the Dave Ramseys, the crypto bosses. You got all of these people that's saying that the sky is falling and I told you so and all of that. And to an extent, they're right. But they're wrong at the same time, and I'm going to tell you why. The problem with people, in a general sense, is that most of them are bandwagon riders, and none of them actually do the research to better understand why a particular investment, let's just leave cryptocurrency out of it, but any investment, why a particular investment is worth investing in. And so usually what's really happening is that they're gambling. That's the truth. Doesn't matter what it is, even if it's a blue chip company that pays dividends and is a phenomenal company, like a Microsoft, right? Or an Apple. Both are awesome companies. Trillion-dollar companies ran by great management, good balance, books, have a profitable revenue, super profitable revenue model. Awesome, but they're down also. So now when you look at what Dave Ramsey is saying, right, and he'll say, I told you, cryptocurrency, everything is crashing, whatever, then how come he doesn't say that about all the rest of the stocks that's down for the year? Every single awesome, phenomenal company is down. I guarantee you, Dave Ramsey, and I'm not just talking about Dave Ramsey, but in a general sense, I guarantee you every last one of their portfolios is down. Nobody has escaped from this downturn and impending recession and then inflation, because part of it is policy, part of it is, the economy, part of it is this manufactured pandemic, and then it's just a fallout as a result of everything that's coming along, right? And then you got all of these dumb states, and you got these bad governors, and they live in this socialist mindset, this liberal way of thinking. They don't understand capitalism. They don't understand economic policy. So there's a lot of things that's working against us right now as a country, as the economy, and as investors. But everybody is down right now. But everything is cyclical. And so people like me that understand specific things that I'm investing in, it's a buying opportunity. Now, I do have some crypto in my portfolio, and I have not sold any of it. As a matter of fact, I'm looking to buy more of it. I was talking to somebody, and it was this guy named Shawn on Fight Club. If y'all not a part of Fight Club, make sure y'all jump into Fight Club. I was talking to Shawn, and he was warning everybody. He said, Bitcoin is going to this number, and I think it's going to this number. And everybody's laughing at him and this and that. And I said, well, hold on, y'all. Y'all might not like his sentiment or his voice or the way that he talks, but I want to understand why he's saying what he's saying. And so he gave us some insight, and then I went and did some research, and I said, interesting. And so, more information forces me to do even more research, which makes me an informed investor. Now, I don't believe that Bitcoin is just going to fall out the bottom and cryptocurrency is going to go out. But I do think that it's a problem with NFTs and stable coins and all of that, partially because I don't fully understand it. So I'm never going to invest in something that I don't understand, but I understand cryptocurrency. And I also understand that a lot of people that invested in cryptocurrency is suffering because they truly didn't understand and they were bandwagon riders. So instead of them making an informed decision, you see all of these people running around with their head on fire, and you got these firms that borrowed against and they leveraged because they wanted to take advantage of the growth of different cryptocurrencies. And then you got all of these fake coins and fake cryptocurrencies that's popping up overnight that people are getting rich, these pump and dump schemes. So there's a lot that's messing up the industry, but cryptocurrency itself, Bitcoin itself, is not a scam. It's not a scam. And just because people don't understand it does not mean that it's a scam. Maybe they don't believe in it. Maybe they think it's a bad investment, and that's fine also. But let's be clear, it's not a scam. Just say you don't understand it. There are some scams in the cryptocurrency space. There are some bad players, as usual in any industry. That's why, for example, you got insider trading with regular stocks, right? There was just a lawyer, an Apple lawyer, that just got indicted and convicted for doing insider trading. It happens in every single industry. It happens across the board. But just because things are down does not necessarily mean that it's a scam. Should we get the bad players out of it? Absolutely. Should it be regulated? Probably. But it's not a scam. There's a fundamental understanding that you need to have in any industry in order to make an informed decision. I had this conversation over a year ago, and I said, yo, I don't understand cryptocurrency right now, but I'm going to do some more research, and as I do more research and get more comfortable and make informed decisions, I'm going to make an investment. Now, do I think that cryptocurrency is going to storm back? Absolutely, 100%. With any industry, there's ups and downs, and it's cyclical. That's like me saying the internet was a scam just because of the dot-com bubble burst. No. Smart investors look at it as a buying opportunity. People that truly understand it and is not panicking are going to be the ones that get rich as a result of it. Am I telling you to buy cryptocurrency? No. I'm telling you to make informed decisions as to what it is that you're buying so that you can understand exactly what you're investing in, and then you make investments based off of a 10, 20, 30-year view instead of trying to get rich quick and operating with this fear of missing out, FOMO, mentality that has you broke as a result of buying into something that you truly wasn't supposed to be a part of in the first place. There are some bad players, absolutely. You need to root it out, but you can't control people. The only thing you can do is let the market continue to dictate exactly what's going to happen. It's going to wash out the fakes. It's going to reinforce the real. And then some people are going to get rich, and then the middle class is going to continue to be hollowed out. That's just the reality of it. But it's not a scam. Stop listening to these people that are saying that the sky is falling. Should you be more informed? Absolutely. Is it possible that you should make more informed decisions when it comes to investments overall? And then maybe stick with traditional investments, real estate, if you can afford it, investing in companies that's publicly traded in the stock market. Even with those, you should not be gambling, right? Long term, slow and steady is the way. So I just wanted to give my thoughts on cryptocurrency dipping below 19,000. I think it may dip a little bit further, but I don't make investments based off of what the current price is. I do think it's a buying opportunity, but if I'm going to invest in something, I'm investing in it for the long term anyway. So I don't really care about what the price is today. I care about what the price is going to be 30 years from now. I love you. I appreciate you. I'd love to get your thoughts. What do you think about the current market, cryptocurrency, everything? Was housing a scam because of 2008? Or did we just have some bad players, especially in the banking industry, that got greedy? I'd love to get your thoughts. Again, let me know what you think in the comments. Link to the Patreon. We're doing Build a Business. We have a Patreon exclusive meetup in New York this month because it is July. And we did the mastermind session. That dropped. Patreon exclusive video is coming this week. And then Build a Business. I'll be in Tampa this week, making sure that I secure the business or the building that you guys picked inside of the Patreon for us to go ahead and open up our business. And then I'm giving equity to the people that's been building it with me. I love you. I appreciate you. If you need a personal coaching call, email me at antondaniels413@gmail.com, and we're going to get you set up. All right? Stay focused, my friends. Peace.